Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of high disk usage of Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you just have to go to the search bar here and search for services here. Search for services and this app will show up. So just click on services here. And then you have to find, so if you have an old version of Windows 10, then you have to find Prefetch option, or if you have a newer version, updated version of Windows 10, then you have to find Sysmain option. uh, Here it is, the Sysmain option here. So you just have to click on it, right click on it, then go to properties, and then here you have to disable the option here, startup type disabled here, and click apply and OK. Then you just have to restart your computer, and after that hope that will solve the high disk usage in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.